Alright, here we are at the end of Swatara Park Road, which leads to Home Sweet Home. As you can see, poor Lower Swatara Township is overwhelmed. They haven't been by in hours. I don't blame them one bit. They are just overwhelmed right now, as is everybody else. Alright, let's back off onto Vine Street itself. I don't have to worry about getting hit because, as you can see, except for those three brave, well, depending on how you look at it, either three brave souls or three crazy fools. Nice little hike. Barely one lane passable each direction. Oh, look at this. Got a couple crazy people out. There's another one. Let's pan around again. There we go. Already you can see they're starting to fade from view. Let's take a look at the northbound lane one more time. And this snow is still coming down hard. And that's leading into Middletown proper. Now, if you think I'm going to go walking in there to shoot video and take pictures, you're nuts. Crazier than I am this morning when I tried to walk to work. Well, that didn't turn out to be such a great idea. As you can see, there's no activity whatsoever on the Pennsylvania Turnpike. Car's coming. I'm getting out of the way. Let's get a look at these guys as they come by. Yep, wait for the cameras. Smile, you're on candid camera. Jeez, and I thought December was bad. I even thought last weekend was bad. This is worse. Haven't seen it like this since the President's Day storm. What was that, 2003 or somewhere thereabouts? Okay. Well, enough of this. I'm out of here.